Driving tips for beginners. Hi there everyone. I'm gonna make this video just to give you some tips while driving, because remember, you'll be tested on your driving skills when you go for your road test. So here we go. I'm stopped at the side of the road here, and now I'm gonna be leaving. So my car's already on, so I put my left signal on, and then I check my rear view mirror and my left shoulder or blind spot, and then if it's safe, then I drive off, and it is safe, so I'm in motion. Okay. Now there's a stop sign ahead, and I'm making a left turn at the stop sign, so I put the left signal on, and there's no white line or sidewalk, so I just stop at the stop sign. Check left and right, and then I start turning once I get to the center of the lane, and we end up on the right side of the roadway. Now here again we have a stop sign. I'm making a right turn, signal right, but there I have a white line, so I stop as soon as I don't see that white line. There. Now I have to check to the left and to the right, because there could be someone in the crosswalk, but there's no one, but I cannot see clearly to the left. So I'm gonna keep going until I can with my wheels turned to the right, and it's safe. So now I accelerate and make my right turn. Speed here is 40 kilometers an hour. As you can see, there's a sign that says 40 km. Now ahead, you can see that yellow sign, and then you see the red, yellow, and green telling us that there's a set of traffic lights ahead. Now I'm gonna make a right turn into this gas station, so I signal, check, and move over to the right lane to make my right turn. Now remember, I'm giving you some tips, so I'm gonna go to the left here because my gas tank is on the left, so I'm gonna turn in here. Okay. Okay, so that will end this short video. Hope you picked up some pointers. Now I'm gonna shut the car off, and this is a push button start and stop, but first I have to put the parking brake on. You can hear that, and then I press the button to shut the car off. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.